Welcome to Christmas in July. Merry Christmas, everyone. This collaboration is with Really Good Living, J&R Restoration Decor and Design, the Rodgers House, Sisters Cousins Lifestyle, and Happy Hoarder, and me. I hope you enjoy our trip to the thrift store. I hope you enjoy our trip to the thrift store and our tablescape afterwards.
Oh, I thought I got that. I didn't get that. Let me. I thought I took it. It is nice. Oh, I should have took it. I voicemail. I will. I want to get a picture of that arena. That is. I got it deleted. Okay, I'll get it. Get this to work. There, I got it.
Look at all the Christmas linens. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful that is. This is a tree skirt, but look how gorgeous. All shiny and sparkly. That one's gorgeous too. Napkins. More napkins. I think these are napkins too. the nutcrackers. Here's your Christmas villages.
Yeah, Craftsman Christmas tree. Santa Claus is really.
Okay, I call this my retro camper tablescape or a glamping tablescape. But this tablescape is due to my husband. He found the little camper plate and he said, "You just have to do a camper tablescape," which they are absolutely adorable. I do like the little campers. And I already had the little truck and this little camper, so I just added those as my centerpiece. And then I added garland and I added the little campers on the garland that are all retro campers, and those were $1 at Dollar Tree. I picked those up for fairy gardens. And then I had to add a little elegance with my napkin ring. And these are my coffee cups that has our initial on it. And of course I went with buffalo plaid in red and black and black and white to make it the rustic glamping tablescape. What's neat is this truck, it didn't have a tree that lit up. My husband added the lights on the trees to make it so the trees lights up for us. And also this camper, it didn't have lights on the inside. My husband again worked his magic and added all the lights in the windows. He said if you're celebrating Christmas in your camper, you still have to have lights. We know he loves his lights. But he added all the lights in the camper. Which I think it made a special touch, especially for my centerpiece. And this also sometimes sits at the bottom of my Christmas tree some years. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. I could use some more family. And if you have a channel, I'll come visit you too. My retro camper and retro truck tablescape.